Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about a medicine you've probably heard of, acetaminophen. So do you know what acetaminophen is and what it's used for? Acetaminophen, also known as paracetamol, is a medicine that helps us relieve pain and lower fever. It's very common for mild to moderate pain, like headaches, muscle aches, joint pain, arthritis, or when we have a fever. And how does it work? Well, acetaminophen works in our brain to make us feel less pain and also to lower our temperature if we have a fever. It's important to know that, unlike other pain relievers, it doesn't have anti-inflammatory effects. That's why it's a good option for people who have stomach problems or ulcers. Now let's talk about how much we need to take and how. It's super important to always follow your doctor's instructions or the ones that come on the medicine bottle. Normally, for adults, the dose is between 500 and 1,000 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours, but you should never take more than 4,000 milligrams a day. For children, the dose depends on their weight and age, so it's best to check with a pediatrician. And does it have any side effects? Acetaminophen is usually a safe medicine, but if you take it in very high doses, it can cause problems like nausea, skin rashes, or even liver problems. And an important tip, don't drink alcohol while taking acetaminophen because it increases the risk of liver damage. In short, acetaminophen is a good option for relieving pain and lowering fever. But as with any medicine, it's very important to use it responsibly. If you have any questions or notice any side effects that you don't like, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and see you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.